Good morning, children. Welcome to math session. Now, children, as you know, we are continuing our chapter 5 multiplication. Okay, in our previous session we finished our part 4. So today what we are going to do is we are going to do mental maths 5. Okay, so children, let us start with our mental maths 5. I hope you are carrying a book and a pencil with you. If not, children, once you finish this session, you are going to write all the questions in your book and you are going to do it by yourself. Okay, so shall we start? Question number 1. What is 3 times 8? Now you know, children, what is 3 times 8? 3 times 8 means we have to say the table of 3 here. Okay, have you learned all the table? Okay, so start saying the table of 3 till 8. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 sixes are 18, 3 sevens are 21 and 3 eights are 24. Correct. What is 3 times 8? 24. So children, here you are not going to get a book or anything to solve. You have to be in multiplication. In my previous session also I told you, in multiplication it is just a series of tables. So you need to know all the tables so that you can answer the sum very easily. Once you're thorough with the tables, you will not face any problem doing any sum of multiplication. Okay, children, so what is 3 times 8 means? 3 multiplied by 8, that is 3 8s. So you have to say the table of 3 and you have to write the correct answer. Question number 2. Which new table can you make from 4 times tables and 3 times table? Now, which new table can you make from 4 times table and 3 times table? Children, teacher has taught you this. Okay, in our previous session, in our second part, I have taught you how we are going to do. We took 3 table, like we did 3 ones are 3 and 4 ones are 4, and then we added 3 plus 4. We got our answer 7. That was our 7 ones are 7. So, which new table can you make from 4 times table and 3 times table is 7 times table. When we write 3 times tables and 4 times table and we add, like 3 twos are 6, okay, and 4 twos are 8. So when we add 8 plus 6, we get 7 twos are, that is 14. Okay, so understood? So which new table can you make from 4 times tables and 3 times table is 7 times table. Question number 3. 7 threes are. 7 threes are. Now children, here it is written only 7 threes are. So what you are going to write? You are going to write, spellings are given, so just you are going to write the number of 7, or you are going to write the number 3 or number 7 and you are going to write 73, something like that. Or what you are going to do? 7 threes are. What you are going to do? Correct, you are going to say the table of 7. 7 threes are means 7 multiplied by 3. So say the 7 table. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14 and 7 threes are 21. So 7 threes are 21. This is written in words. So you have to learn properly and understand. It is mental maths now. So your tables should be on your tip of your tongue. So you should easily you can easily able be to answer any tables if teacher asks from 2 to 9. Okay, so write the tables again and again every day, one time in your book from 2 to 9. Say orally, say and write. Every time when you are writing the table, say the table and write. Okay, so by heart the table, so it will be very easily on your tip of your tongue. So you can easily read the table, say the table, and you can easily tell the answer. Now we will move to the next question. What is 8 taken 6 times? What is 8 taken 6 times? Now can you understand what question is this? What is 8 taken 6 times? That means what answer we will get if we take 8 6 times. Now if we add 8, okay, 6 times. So what answer we are going to get? And if we multiply also 8 6 times, okay, if we multiply 8 6 also, then also we are going to get the same answer. If we add 8 6 times, then also we are going to get the same answer. So we'll say the table of 8. Okay, we will not add, we will say the table of 8. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 fives are 40, 8 sixes are 48, 8 sevens are 56. But we have to take only 8 how many times? 6 times. So 8 6 are 48. Correct. Understood, children? When you are saying the table, so you have to just go what the number is given till there only you have to finish. Okay, like what is 8 taken 6 times? So you will just say the table of 8 6. Okay. Now next. Question number 5. Tables are nothing but a series of multiplication. Children, this type of question you will get in your exam in filling the blanks. Okay. Tables are nothing but a series of multiplication. The question will be tables are nothing but a series of dash. You have to learn multiplication. Okay. The question can be dash or nothing but a series of multiplication. The answer will be table. So vice versa, it can be in both the ways. So you have to learn this properly. So repeat after me. Tables are nothing but a series of multiplication. Tables are nothing but a series of multiplication. What spelling you are going to write for multiplication? multiplication. Tables are nothing but a series of multiplication. Now next question. What is the answer obtained by multiplying two numbers known as? What is the answer obtained by multiplying two numbers known as? Now teacher has told you, when you get the answer while doing addition, in addition what it is known as? Sum. And then in subtraction what it is known as? Difference. Correct. And then in multiplication what it is known as? What teacher told you? What is the answer you get when you multiply two numbers? What is the answer? Product. Correct. So the answer that is obtained by multiplying two numbers is known as product. So the answer which is obtained by adding two numbers is known as sum. The answer which is obtained by subtracting two numbers are difference, and the answer obtained by multiplying two numbers is known as product. Understood? Now next. Question number 7. What is the product obtained by multiplying any number by 0? What is the product obtained by multiplying any number by 0? Now product is what? The answer. Okay, teacher told you now product is the answer. So what is the answer that is obtained by multiplying? That means if we multiply any number by 0, what is the answer or what is the product that we obtain? Now teacher told you before also that if we multiply any number by 0, what answer we are going to get? Suppose if we add 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 4 times. Okay. So 0 multiplied by 4 will be 0. In same way 4 multiply by 0, that is 4 zeros will be 0. So any number that is multiplied by 0 will be 0. Correct. So the product that obtained by multiplying any number by 0 is 0. That means the answer that we get by multiplying any number by 0 will be 0. Question number 8. In 6 multiplied by 3 equal to 18. That means 6 3s are 18. What is 6 known as? 6 in 6 multiplied by 3 equal to 18. That is 6 3s are 18. What is 6 known as? Now children, this also I have taught you. 6 multiplied by 3 is 18. Correct? Which is your first number? Your first number is 6. So what teacher has told you? The first number is called what? what is the first number is called? Yes, children? Multiplicand. Very good. What is the first number called? Multiplicand. And the number by which we are multiplying, that is our second number, is called as multiplier. And the third number, that is our answer which we get by multiplying this numbers, that is known as product. Okay. So, first number, that is 6, is your multiplicand, 3 is your multiplier, and 18 is your product. Okay. Sorry. Question number 9. In 9 multiplied by 5 is equal to 42, that is 9 5s are 45. Okay. What is 5 known as? In 9 multiplied by 5 is equal to 45. What is 5 known as? In 9 multiplied by 5 is equal to 45. What is 5 known as? Now here, which is your first number? Number 9, that is your multiplicand. Then what is number 5? It is the second number. So what is 5 known as? Second number. Multiplier. Correct. 9 is your multiplicand, 5 is your multiplier, that is your second number. And when we multiply 9 5s are, when we say the table of 5, so 9 5s is 45, and that 45 will be your product. So 9 is your multiplicand, 5 is your multiplier, and 45 will be your product. So always remember, children, first number will be your multiplicand, the number which you are multiplying, that is your second number, will be your multiplier, and then by multiplying both the numbers, the answer which is obtained is known as the product, that is your 45 will be the product. Okay. Question number 10. Seema distributed sweets among 5 friends. Okay. She gave each friend 6 sweets. How many sweets did she distribute in all? Now Seema distributed sweets among her 5 friends. Okay. And she gave each friend, that is every friend, she gave 6 sweets. So how many sweets did she distribute in all? Now children, in the previous session we learned word problem, correct? Now this is a type of word problem, but you have to answer it in mentally. You cannot solve and answer. It is a mental maths, correct? So you have to answer orally. So you don't have to write that solution and nothing. You just have to solve orally and answer it. So what we are going to do to get the answer, we are going to multiply 5 by 6. That is, we are going to say the table of 5 till 6. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25, and 5 6s are 30. Correct. So how many sweets did she distribute in all? 30. Okay. Among 5 friends she distributed, and she gave 6 sweets to each friends. Okay. So 6 multiplied by 5 or 5 multiplied by 6, we get our answer 30. Okay. Question number 11. What is 7 times 7? What is 7 times 7? Tell me the answer, children. What is 7 times 7? Now here what you are going to do? It is asking what is 7 times 7. What means 7 times 7? Means 7 times means multiply, and 7, that means what is 7 7s are. So how you are going to calculate? You are going to say the table of 7. 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21, 7 4s are 28, 7 5s are 35, 7 6s are 42, 7 8s are 56, 7 7s are, what we said, 49. Correct. Okay. So when we say the 7 table till 7, we get our answer 49. 7 7s are 49. So children, remember this. Okay. When it comes times, you have to multiply that both the numbers, and you have to say the table, and you have to write the answer. So 7 times 7 is 49. That means 7 7s are 49. What is 6 taken 4 times? What is 6 taken 4 times? Yes, children, answer me. Now I am not going to answer you. You tell me, what is 6 taken 4 times? If you take 6 4 times, like if you add 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6, 6 4 times, what answer you are going to get? Or if you multiply 6 multiply by 4, that is you are going to say the table of 6 till 4. So tell me the answer. 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, and 6 4s are 24. 6 4s are 24. So 6 taken 4 times will be 24. Now if we add also, children, 6 4 times, see, 6 plus 6 plus 6 and here plus 6. Okay. So if we add 6 plus 6 will be 12, correct? Then 12 plus 6 will be 18, and 18 plus 6 will be 24. So if we add 6 taken 4 times, that means if we add 6 also 4 times, we are going to get the answer 24. And if we say the table of 6 till 4, then also we are going to get 24. Okay, if we say 4 table also till 6, we are going to get the same answer. Okay. So with this, children, we finish our session of mental maths 5, and with this we finish our lesson also, multiplication chapter 5. In the next session I will come with a new lesson and a new topic. But till then you have to keep learning and keep practicing, children. All the questions you are going to write in your book and you are going to solve by yourself, because now teacher has taught you and you have understood all the sums. Okay. So now you are going to solve it by yourself. In the book only write the question and do it by yourself. Okay. Afterwards you can see the video and you can rectify your answers. Okay. But before that, with honesty you are going to solve it. Okay, so you will not find difficult in your paper. Fine, children? So till then, keep learning. Don't forget multiplication. Write the tables also in your book. Every day you have to write the table in your book. You have to practice tables. You should know the table of 7, 9, 8, 6 orally. On the tip of your tongue you should know. Whenever teacher asks you, you should know the answer of the tables. Okay? So bye, children. Take care. See you soon.